had a day off work, so we decided to take a quick trip, short little weekend trip, and we found this cute little Airbnb, and it was too adorable not to share it with you. So I just wanted to do a video tour and show you what we stayed in. So take a look at this. It is a historic trolley that has been turned into a tiny home, and now they rent it on Airbnb. So come on in, let's take a look. It's got the little doors right here that open up just like a trolley, and then when you come in, it's just like you're stepping into a trolley. It's got the seat here, all of the controls are still here. And then when you pan around right here, this is the living area. It's got a comfy couch, and it's got TV, streaming videos you can watch. There's a heater here in case you're here in the winter time, and there's a little fireplace. They do have air conditioner here, but they added this to keep it a little bit extra cool. But one thing I really liked was this this table here. And if you look right here, this says the Hurricane Express. And on the outside, it says the Hurricane Express. So this was a trolley from the Hurricane Express. And this seat would have been one of the seats that was in the trolley when you ride. But they turned that into a table. It's got a kitchenette here. Got this cute little 2-burner stove. Got everything you could need inside the drawers. They've got all kinds of silverware, pots and pans, anything you could need for the weekend or week or month. And come on back this way. It's got an actual bathroom, a real bathroom. So you can go in here and look. It's too tight, so I'm gonna let you go look. It's got a nice shower, hot water too. Got these up here, these little brass or gold accents. I like that. But then you step right in here into the bedroom, and it's got this raised bed. There's steps on each side of the bed so you can get up. Has a nice light and fan combo up there. It's got 3 emergency exits in this room alone. There's also emergency exits in the front, but this bed was super comfortable. We have really enjoyed staying here. But if you walk outside, we'll show you the outside too. Come out here onto the patio, and we sat out here last night and built a fire. We grilled us some hot dogs for the 4th. We just enjoyed a nice evening. But there you can see the Hurricane Express. So we have enjoyed staying here at the Hurricane Express trolley here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. I forgot to mention that. Travelers Rest is just about 20 minutes from Greenville, South Carolina, and it's about an hour and a half from our friends up in Charlotte. If you'd like more information about staying here at this trolley, just let me know and I will get you in contact with the host. This is a very quiet, very enjoyable weekend. I'm Sandy with Sold by Sandy K, broker by Premier South.